In my efforts to make our house energy efficient, I've been trying to get rid of every last incandescent bulb, and the two holdouts have been the refrigerator and the hood because they have this weird socket size. I even tried making my own bulb. I wasn't willing to try it in the refrigerator because it's damp in there and the bulb wasn't watertight. But I did try it in the hood and it worked. But as of today, well, let me show you. I just bought light bulbs to replace the very last incandescents in the house. You can see in the refrigerator, this one is the new LED and this one is the old incandescent. Yes, you can buy a yellowish or the brownish colored LED if you'd like. We bought the white one. This is 5 watts. This is 30 watts. This is 6 times less power and the same amount of light. Okay, let's look at the light bulbs. This is the old incandescent. Again, it's 30 watts to get no more light out of it. This is the new LED, 5 watts, smaller, just as much light, 5 watts of power. And there goes the last incandescent bulb in the house. Well, I hope you found this useful and interesting in your home DIY energy saving efforts.